All right. Well, hello, my friends. It's Brandon, the Crypto Canadian Coder, and today we're going to be back at it with actually a different style of video, and it is code related, but it's more of a demonstration of something that I have put together that I'm using to save my own sanity in my business. So essentially, what I do is one of the things that I do is digital media production for corporations, and one of those corporations is a farming supply company. And so inside here, to create, well, so a little bit of a backstory. So I have ADHD, so I have really creative times and other times where I find it really hard to get myself started on things. The other thing is that I have a hard time keeping track of everything that I need to do on a day-to-day basis. So essentially, I looked around at a bunch of different CRMs, and one thing about creating or having a CRM is that most of the time it costs you on a month-to-month basis to operate that. And so for me, personally, I didn't want a month-to-month cost. So what I did is I grabbed some software and I built out a CRM that I self-hosted, and I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a demo of it because there's really so many jam-packed features in here. And if you want something like this deployed for your own business, then we can help you set it up as well. Just sign up to become a RocketBlox client, and then we can get started from there. So what we have inside here is, first off, our task management. So this is the primary thing that I used it for. So some people may have Trello, they may have other different tools that they're using to manage tasks. And for me, I knew that I needed something to integrate that into my timesheets. And so here we have a piece of content that we need to edit and upload. And so essentially in here, you can have a description, you can edit the description, you can have checklists, right? So this stuff could be in the checklist, right? You can save different items to your checklist. So here is typically how I would use a video. So I would first shoot the video, where is it? Film videos. So then the next thing that we would add is a backup. So we have to upload them to the computer. We have to download demo clips, right? We have to add audio, right? We have to then and then we have to add titles. So we're going to add a new one here. Titles. Okay. And then we can easily save it as a template in there, right? You can assign different checklists to different staff members, so this makes it really easy as you start to build out a team, right? And you're not doing things by yourself anymore. Clients can come in, they can add tasks for you and your team, right? You can track your timesheets directly from these tasks. As you can see, I've got now 9 hours put into this video, right? So essentially that has, okay, this one, which is RocketBlox, and RocketBlox, they're technically the same person, right? It's me. I just had not set up my personal staff account, right, aside from my member account. So I could actually change this to myself, right? And then that keeps track of hours that you need to pay for payroll as well. All right, so it makes it really easy to manage the entire business from here, and you can even have a chat that's interior with your staff, right? You can create different groups and message groups, as well as have messages with the clients as well, right? So we can message the client and they can log in and message us back, right? So here we can, let's look at some other things. So you can manage your appointments in here, right? So we need to set up appointments and callback person, right? So that gives us all the information that we need to do. So there's a lot of features that I haven't even integrated into here because, again, it takes time to do this, right? And so there's so many different features that we can have and integrate into the CRM that really make it really easy. The primary things that I use it for is time tracking and project management with clients. All right, so that's RocketBlox. If you guys want to have something like this installed on your own site so that you don't have to use, say, MailChimp or what's another one? ActiveCampaign or something like that, then feel free to send me a message, leave a comment. I would love to help you guys set this up, and that's what's called a self-hosted application. All right, so we can help set this up so that you don't have to pay month to month, right? And then as you need things for your software, then you can just upgrade it as you see fit. You don't have to wait for the other software company that you're paying month to month for to add new features. You don't have to wait for those requests. We can build them in directly for you, right? So that makes it extremely easy to manage as well as to keep up with, because again, you're not paying thousands of dollars over the next few years for your software. You pay once to get it set up, and then if you need something else, then you pay to get it done from there. So hope you enjoyed this overview. This is just what I use on a day-to-day basis to manage my business, right? So I have customers that sign up through here, as well as you can manage your leads as well. Through lead forms, you can build landing pages and see your form needs. You can create new blocks, you can create new templates, etc. So hope you guys enjoyed it. My name's Brandon, and if you liked it, smash the like button. If you didn't like it, leave a comment. Don't hit that down button. Love you guys. Have a great day, and happy developing.